Okay, today we're going to take a look at Chapter 11, which is over statistical measures, and we're going to look at Lesson 1 and 2 today. So Lesson 1 has mean, Lesson 2 is median and mode. So, a lot of you probably have done this before, but we're going to use a calculator, so that should help us out quite a bit. We look at Lesson 1, mean. It says the table shows the number of CDs a group of friends bought. Find the mean number of CDs their group bought. If we take some time and look back here at the front, it says mean. Data set is the sum of the data divided by the number of pieces of data. Sum means we're going to add, so we're going to add all the numbers up and divide by the number of pieces there are. So in this case, we're going to add up. We're going to do 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 2. So in your calculator, you're going to add all those together. So 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 2. We get 15. You can see that. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to divide that total by 5. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So the mean will be 3. Let's take a look at the next one. The next one is not shown on the table, but a dot plot. The dot plot shows the number of books Deanna read each week of a month-long reading challenge. Find the mean number of books. So when we're looking at this one, we're going to see how many ones are there. So there's 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. So I'll write 3 3s out. And 1, 2, 4. So I'll write 2 4s out. We're going to add all of those together. And then we're going to divide by the amount that there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to add all those numbers together and divide by 6, and that will give us our answer. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. That gives us 18. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So your answer is 3 books. Okay, our next one shows you that we can also display this in a bar graph. So we're going to take all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these numbers, add them together, and then we're going to divide it by 5 because there's 5 of them. So 87 plus 93 plus 86 plus 90 plus 84. That gives us 440. Then we're going to divide that by 5 because there's 5 numbers. And you get 88. And since it's test scores, it's percent. So that's your answer. Okay, our next one's on a dot plot again. So we have a 12 and a 12 because there's 2 dots on the 12. We have 114, we have 215, and we have 116. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to add those together and divide by 6. So 12 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 plus 15 plus 16. That gives us 84. So we have 84 divided by 6. And that gives us 14 flowers. So that's how you find the mean. Pretty easy when you have a calculator involved. Now we're going to look at the median and the mode. If we flip back to the front, it tells us that the median is a list of values and the value appearing at the center of a sorted version of the list or the mean of the values. The mode is the number numbers that occur most often. So let's take a look at this. The table shows the number of monkeys at 11 different zoos. Find the median and the mode of the data. So the first thing that you need to do is put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Then you count in to find the middle number, which is 28, because median means middle. And then you also have an order from least to greatest. And you can find the mode really easily because mode means most. And 18 is the one that occurs most often. Let's actually solve one now. So, this list shows the number of stories in the 11 tallest buildings in Springfield. Find the median and mode of the data. So we're going to go from least to greatest. So we have a 17. I suggest as you do this, you cross them out. Then you have a 19, a 20, a 21, a 24, a 30, 33, 37, 38, and then two 40s. So, I'm going to write median down here so we can write the number easily. And mode. And already you probably found the mode because you wrote two 40s down, so let's go ahead and write that. Now, when we're finding the median, that means you have to find the middle number. So it's easy. You're going to take your marker and you're going to cross them out. So 2 there, 2 there, 2 here, 2 here. And then I have 1 here, 1 here. So our middle number is 30. So our median is 30 in this case. Let's look at the next one. I didn't give very much room for this one, so I'm just going to bring it right down here and put them in order right down here. Okay, so my first number is going to be 16.78, then 18.38, then 22.89, then 26.79, then 28.54, then 31.42, then 48.75, and then 51.25. Okay, in this case, I did not write two of the same numbers, so mode, you're going to write none. Do not write 0 because 0 could be considered the mode, but 0 was not used in here. We're going to use none. Now we need to find the median, so I'm going to start crossing off numbers on each side. Okay, in this case we have 2 in the middle. When we have 2 in the middle, we add them together, then divide by 2. So with your calculator, you're going to do 26.79 plus 28.54. And you'll get 55.33. Then you're going to divide it by 2. And you get an answer of 27.665. But since this is money doesn't have 3 decimal places, so we're going to have to take the thousands number, and we're going to have to round it up. So that 5 tells us 6 to go up to a 7. So 27.67 is the median. That is the middle number. So when you have two numbers in the middle, you have to add them together and divide by 2 and find the mean of those numbers. Let's look at the next one. It says find and compare the median and mode of the cost in the table. So first we're going to have to put them in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with 1.65, 1.97, 2.35, 2.45, 2.49, 2.87, and another 2.87, and our last one is 3.75. Okay, so we need to find the median and the mode. Mode's easy because I know I wrote 2.87. Because remember, mode is the number that happens most often. And then let's find the median. So I'm going to start checking off from each side. Again, I have two numbers in the middle, so I'm going to add them, then divide by 2. So 2.45 plus 2.49, I get 4.94. Then I'm going to divide by 2, and I get 2.47. Okay, again, this is cost of juice, so both of these are money, so we're going to put a dollar sign in front of them. So we found them, now we have to compare. So, which one is bigger? The mode is bigger by 40 cents, and that's what you're comparing. Or you could say the median is less by 40 cents. If you need more help with this, make sure that you're asking or you're watching other YouTube videos or heading over to Khan Academy.